Today I'm going to attempt to make a custom Marciard dunk using the base of a russet dunk. To start off, I'm going to be removing the laces. So now we're going to start off by taking off the non-important parts like the swoosh, the tongue, the other swoosh, and we're going to try to lighten this brown. If not possible, then it's going to be more of a 1 of 1. So we're going to go and remove the swoosh and also cut this so that it becomes like this flap right here. Now I will be using contact cement to glue on the swoosh to the shoe. While it's drying, here's some little touches I added to the box. I made it look like the Marciard 2.0, but instead I called it Dunkyard 1.0 and copied the style. Here's some B-roll of the shoes, and I'll follow up with some on feet right after.